Not every race has to be run for a performance, like times or distances. Every once in a while, you just have to run a race for the pure joy and the vibes. And oh boy, this race did not disappoint.
To the team from Maine, the T-side, have a great
Okay, this is the biggest half marathon in the world that we're running right now, the Great North Run 2025. So we're running the race for the vibes today, just taking it all in and enjoying it, but we do have a side quest as well. This is our friend Gary over here, and we're trying to run a pace. We're trying to pace him basically to get a PB. So we've got to run 4:38 per kilometre roughly to try and get into that region. So let's see how that goes as well. I should probably explain what's going on at this point. So Mary and I were back in the UK, as you may have noticed. We've got 3 weeks here, including the Great North Run, Berlin Marathon. We're here for the vibes today. We're not here to run a time. We're here to enjoy. And I mean, look at the turnout. Look at this. $60,000 people running, not watching. There'll be more. So we're nicely on target at the moment. First kilometre was 4:36, then 4:25, but we were going downhill, then 4:36, 4:39. So we are in that perfect zone, pacing it right at the moment, considering it's very undulating. Heading down a little slope again. Talk to me, Mary, how you feeling?
Feeling good. Yeah, just finding a rhythm, loving the crowds.
How's the vibes?
Vibes are high.
You're just being overtaken by
Vibes are
Superman,
good.
as you should be.
You're too right.
We're trying to keep it nice and balanced as we go up the hill, so that we're playing a game of averages rather than trying to hit those paces every single kilometre. So the hill kilometres will be slower, the flat and downhill slightly faster. That should balance it all out. So going well so far. Trying to keep a mental note, doing the maths in my head. Look at the vibes though. That's crazy. Gary's still here. 47:30, was it? What was it? 46:33 for the 10k. We're pacing quite nicely. Gary said it's manageable, so we'll go with that. We're just trying to keep it sensible. Look at this thing.
Oh my god, training plan, Mannion.
Oh, did you?
Amazing.
Oh, mate, what, for this race?
Yeah, for this race.
Oh, thanks, man.
Cheers. Best training plans in the business.
Look who we just ran. Anthony just ran past us and was like, I followed your training plan for this race. He's looking super strong, by the way. Thanks,
okay.
mate, appreciate that.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah, have a great race. Through halfway in what was it, Mary? No, through halfway in 48 minutes, 55 seconds, which means that we are basically bang on for a sub 1:38, which was the aim. A good point to mention over the last couple of weeks. This is totally random, but after my penultimate long run of the training block, I just woke up like it felt like I had a broken ankle. I don't know what happened, a little flare up of Achilles tendonitis, so I'm managing that right now. So the training block towards Berlin hasn't been absolutely perfect, although it's feeling okay today, so fingers crossed. Just a frustration really. But this is a nice day out. Yeah, this is a tough course. If you're thinking of doing this course, it's so undulating, you just can't get a rhythm. It's up and down and not much flat. So Gary's hamstrings tightened up and we've made that decision to like, let's just enjoy the vibes. Let's not push over the edge. He's got Copenhagen, more races in the bank. So we're just gonna soak up the vibes now, which are immaculate. What are your thoughts on the race so far, man?
Yeah, it's good. I'm soaked from the shower.
Yeah.
It's a tough course, but good energy, like really friendly, like inspiring so many charity runners, and yeah, it's good. I'm really excited about the finish.
Yeah.
And red arrows, where are they?
Oh yeah, we're on the red arrows. Flying around somewhere. Can I ask you if we can swap? I'll do that, you do this.
Question.
Do you? Oh, damn it.
I've done it about 20 times, gonna do it again.
I thought it was an original joke. We're just going up this last hill, and I believe we get to the top of this, it's downhill, then flat into the finish. So this is the last little punch, but yeah, we've made the decision. We're never racing this race. We're just gonna go out and enjoy the vibes. No way I'm going hard here. Not a chance. Okay, we've earned this. We're about to go downhill. Thank goodness. Yeah, I had it. Having great fun though. Look at this. Look at this dude. Woo! Oh, to the seafront. I'm not joking, it's getting embarrassing now. The amount of shout outs Mary's getting is just ridiculous. Everyone is just shouting, go on Mary. No one else in the race.
My name is on my shirt.
Your name, yeah, her name is on the shirt. It's not like everyone knows us, but even so.
You've done it.
Yes, I just got a shout.
Well done.
This is crazy. What a crazy finish. It's mad. Look at that.
Well done, you are incredible. That is an amazing time to conclude.
We're on the big screen. We did it. Woohoo! We did it. Here you go. 1:43.
Well done. Third fastest, I think. Third fastest.
Third fastest. There you go. Third fastest. Dude, great running.
Amazing.
There we go. I think we were on TV. Finished now. Gary, I think that was third fastest time ever? Third fastest time.
Superb run.
Yeah, superb run considering the hamstring went. So yeah, we're all happy. We're just now walking back to get medals, t-shirts, the works, and chill out a bit. The good news is the Achilles seems to have held up. So, you know, that's a really encouraging kind of sign for me. And I think we just made it onto TV, but I'm not sure. I feel like the camera's panned in on us. We'll see.
Ultimately, our 5 minutes of TV fame are going to have to wait, but we did come away from the event absolutely buzzing. It's a tremendous race. The vibes were immaculate and we loved every minute of it. It is a tough course for sure, but the support made it all worth it. So Great North Run, the biggest half marathon in the world, you were awesome. We'll be back for sure. And well done to Gary for running his third fastest Great North Run ever. Now we just have the little matter of Berlin in 2 weeks, so stick around and see how that goes. And if you enjoyed the video vibes, I know you're going to love this video where Mary smashed the New York City Marathon. And this one where I ran a marathon just to talk about how to fuel in a marathon. What an idiot. See you Sunday.